Alright. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is that from the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of my brain, from the eyes, ears, nose, each and every part of my body, is that I hate algebra. I hate it. I completely hate it. And yeah, I hate it. So the update is I started algebra and start doing the simultaneous linear equations, and it was very difficult. It's going up from it's like this. I'm not able to understand it. Just the easy ones I'm able to understand it. Rest of it was like I am don't what is going on, where am I? So what I decided is I will just do the basics, and I will do everything, but which I understand it's good, which I don't, I will not put more emphasis on it. And yeah, I make my brain do braining, whatever. So in I guess 8 to 9 days I will cover algebra. I just do the main things and I will cover it up. So I don't know why. I understand the basics ones, the ones which in arithmetic linear equations I can do it. The basic algebra things I can do it, but when it comes even a slightly difficult level, I am not able to understand or infer it itself. So better than wasting my head, beating my head on the wall and doing that, I will focus on arithmetic mainly, and I will try to do geometry next. I will see how it goes. But algebra is not my cup of tea. I have understood it, and I am very well fine with it. That algebra, I suck at algebra. Okay, no problem. I suck at algebra. I am very well fine with it that I suck at it, and I accept it. So I will just do the easy ones. So if in the exam the easy comes, I will do it for sure. But if it's the difficult ones, instead of giving too much time in it, I am not getting the equal ratio back. So yeah, that is for algebra. Apart from that, I analyzed the mock which I did yesterday, and I did 2 RCs from previous year mocks of CL. And apart from that, I solved the LRDI sets which I was not able to solve in the mock which I took yesterday, CAT-2, and I showed how much I scored in that. You can watch in the previous video. The analysis also was in the previous video. And yeah, that's it for today guys. If you have any doubts, just drop it down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.